Thank you for buying this 16785 wall mount display from Fixture Displays. This is beautiful design with a tray in the background and 5-level shelves to allow you to put a variety of items on display as well as for storage. The item measures about 24 inches in diameter. The shelves vary in length, the smallest being 18 inches and the largest or longest is 23.4 inches. Between shelf to shelf, the distance is 4 inches. That dictates the tallest item you can put on this shelf display. Ideal candidate for these are small bottles, such as nail polish, small makeup items. Shelf depth is 2.2 inches. Most small bottles are going to be smaller than this diameter. To mount this on the wall, you'll want to measure the distance between the two holes and drill 2 holes. Make sure you use wall anchor if you're working with a drywall. Ideally, you can find a stud. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs, that's Charlie Sam, @fixturedisplays.com. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other products and services we have to offer. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. If you have a customer requirement, we'd love the opportunity to make that happen for you. Our email address once again is cs, that's Charlie Sam, @fixturedisplays.com.